Vimal, Junior Resident 3 in Medicine Department in LLRM Medical College, Meerut. Here in this BPCON 2022, I presented a study on the effect of yoga therapy in patients, the effect of yoga therapy on blood pressure and heart rate in patients of heart failure. The study was conducted in 160 patients who were divided in a group of 80 each. So yoga practices were conducted. Each session was of 60 minutes and twice weekly yoga therapy was performed, and the results showed a significant decrease in blood pressure and heart rate in patients of yoga group. Therefore, we highly recommend daily yoga practices in each and every individual. Thank you.